Hello. It is Tuesday, and there might be a rain pour. We'll see. So yes, today is Tuesday, and there might be rain today. I don't know. We'll keep an eye out for it. I hope it doesn't. I so did not bring an umbrella today, so I don't know. We will see. Oh my god, I think that's my train. Oh well, I'll have to wait for another one. I left early, so yay. So I was watching the news today, and there seems to be like a water main break on one of the stops that I have to get off on, Delancey. So we'll see if that stop is closed. If it is, then I have to transfer. Blah. Oh well. So yeah, certain areas of the sky are fine. The other ones are a little bit darker. So we'll see what that means for me. It was like a water main break, and the way it looked is like the street was all like puddly and gross. So we'll see if that has any effect on the train today. I don't know if you can see it in the air, but there's a helicopter, and that's the helicopter that I saw on TV this morning, and they're filming somewhere. I don't know where the water main break is, but it seems dry over here.
Right down.
Oh well, no water main break. I thought that would have been fun, but I'm around where I need to be, so I'm gonna head into work, do my thing, and get out. Today's Valentine's Day, if you don't know, so I would like to do something, but we did a lot of stuff. Like this weekend we went to the hotel. I don't know. I want to cook him dinner, but I'm not sure what to cook. I gotta look up something. We'll find something. Alright, so I'm leaving the scene of the crime, my client, and I got dinner, so I'm gonna be cooking tonight. I can't exactly reveal what just yet. I'll reveal it later. But I'm cooking, and I'm surprising him for Valentine's Day. And I feel like I gotta sneeze. Oh god. Okay, so I'm home, and I thought I would reveal it now. It's not anything too extravagant or too crazy, but I wanted to do something simple. So I'm gonna be doing some mac and cheese, and I'm also gonna be throwing some bacon up in that. Yes, and I'm also gonna be doing that with some broccoli that we recently got. So broccoli time. I would do some mashed potatoes, but I'm not sure if that would go with it very well. But yes, that's what I'm gonna be doing. And I'm going to be starting that very soon with our new pots. I'm very excited about that. And that is basically it. I mean, it's kind of a short day, but it's going to be a romantic day. So I will let you know how everything goes tomorrow. And that's it. Alright, so I will see you tomorrow. Peace and have a good day. Alright?